Bamblen Junior High School has 540 students and about 100 employees. It has one school building and one sports building. It also has a cultural scene and a cultural school included in the school building. And the two lower floors are more public and the two upper floors are for the groups from 8th, 9th and 10th grade.
I really love the way that you walk into the space and you can see all the way through to the forest at the first, is that you really kind of always have at least one view out somewhere to something green. We really want to be able to have lots of different ways to sit during the day, the ability to move around, the ability to change and find your space. And that's one of the things we really love about this classroom configuration. One of the main characteristics of Bamblen Junior High is this wooden construction. The entire school construction is made out of wood. And this was all modeled up and coordinated already in the competition phase. So we had to create a complete working system to get this priced in this kind of a competition. In this kind of price and design competition, you have to be able to deliver detailed drawings in a relatively short amount of time to the contractor so that we're able to present our design ideas and give relatively correct costs early on. And it's actually the efficiency of this system that allowed us to bring the price down to be the least expensive project in the competition. So we have a project that's both environmentally friendly and cost effective. So the cross-laminated timber is an environmentally friendly way to build, which is actually the old way of building schools, going back to natural materials and getting away from hard concrete and steel.
This is probably one of the more complex rooms in terms of coordination. It's not the biggest space, but there's a lot of stuff that goes into it.
This is a typical specialized classroom, science room, where Archicad lets us coordinate between the different models, the engineering model, the electricity model, the VVS model, to get all of these different pieces in the right place.
We get the engineering disciplines into our main architectural model, so we can see what's coming there and we can actively discuss, could we move this there, could we not do that, or could we do it in this manner instead?
Here we're in the outdoor foyer, as we've called it. This is the gymnastics hall, which is on top of the handball hall. Archicad and BIM give us the tools we need to be able to have control over area from early in the project. This allows us to compare different alternatives and have good control over the area throughout the whole process. For school architecture, it's important to make area-efficient buildings, and Archicad allows us to have control of that in every phase.
It's been nice using Archicad just so you can go into the details and the materials and with colors. Especially used a lot this curtain wall tool because of the razzle-dazzle pattern on the facades.
Curtain wall tool had just been upgraded to allow for more complicated patterns, and so we were very easily able to transfer their sketches into the curtain wall tool, which then went straight both for our visualizations and early phase sketches to the production model for the cutting of the panels and the numbering of the panels. So we used this tool quite extensively for this project.